Hi everyone, I want to do a really quick tutorial on how you can add a link to a discussion board topic and how you respond to two classmates. I'm going to go into the open discussion board topic, and I'm sure everybody understands how to respond directly by clicking Start a New Thread. Most objective discussion board topics will ask you to provide a link to a credible source or just a link to something about your film of choice. And so there's a really great way you can do this in the dialog box on D2L, and that's by using this first button here. You'll see when you put your cursor on it, it's called Insert Stuff. If I have a video that I want to share, for example, the trailer for the avant-garde film Eraserhead. I have it pulled up here on YouTube. I can copy it and then go back to that Insert Stuff button, paste it, and insert the link to the video right there. And the video will actually play in line. And that's great because as a fellow classmate or your instructor, I can watch this video and really get a strong idea of what your resource is. If you have a link to, let's just say, an article, in this instance, I have a review of Eraserhead, to add the link to your material, you want to go up to your browser window, copy, and again, using that Insert Stuff button, paste, give it a name. And then it inserts that active link right in your discussion board topic. So as your instructor, once this is posted, I'm going to post it and then I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so you can see what it looks like. I'm able to view the video, and I'm also able to just click on that link right there and go right to your resource. All right, let's just get rid of that because it doesn't really make any sense in this context. Okay, the last piece of the puzzle is each discussion board topic requires you to respond to two of your classmates' posts. And there's a really easy way to do this. I'm going to actually use my example post that's pinned right here to respond to. Simply click on the title of your classmate's post. That will open it up. You'll see here I use the Insert Stuff button to add a resource about my film of choice from the OCC library. And I also use that Insert Stuff button to add a trailer. And so when I want to respond to my classmate, I just click on Reply to Thread, and I type my response right in there. And this is a really nice way for you to engage with your classmates in this online class by going ahead and reading and responding to their posts. And you are going to do this for each and every discussion board topic after you create your original thread or original responses to the objective and subjective topic. You're going to read and respond to at least, you can certainly do more than two, but at least two of your classmates' posts. I hope this little tutorial on how to insert a link to a credible source and how to respond to two of your classmates' posts in the discussion board topics has been helpful. And I thank you for watching.